much, Darwin. Ito naman ating susunod na singing bay. Si Earl Santos, tanungin naman natin, meron ba itong ex na kinakalimutan? Nakalimutan na? Corrected by, hi Earl!
Hello po, magandang hapon po mga Dabarkads.
Hi Earl! Ikaw ba?
Ikaw po Earl, meron ka ring bagay na hindi mo makalimutan sa ex mo?
O nagka-ex ka na ba?
Ayun po, syempre, kapag minahal talaga natin yung tao, di ba? Hindi naman natin siya agad-agad makakalimutan.
Ano yung bagay na yun?
Oo, when was your last relationship?
1 year ago na po.
1 year ago. Tapos ano yung bagay na yun na hindi mo talaga makalimutan sa kanya?
Syempre po yung mga bonding po namin together, mga happy moments namin, pag nagtatawanan, masaya.
Bakit ganun ka ba?
Love story.
Bakit ganun pag malungkot na usapan, laging parang dapat i-review rin na gano'n? Ay nako Earl, paano ka naman magpakilig ng babae?
Syempre po, aranahan po, yan, kakausapin ko ng masinsinan. Tapos papakita ko sa kanya na sincere ako sa kanya, tsaka seryoso ako.
Sige nga, paano mo pakita na sincere ka sa kanya?
Ayun po.
Ano?
Anong gagawin mo?
Anong gagawin mo?
Siyempre, papakita ko yung tunay na sino ako, yung best ko, and at the same time, totoo kasi kapag pang lifetime na po, di ba? Papakita mo na kung sino ka talaga.
Agad?
Okay.
Wow! Sige, sabi mo eh!
Kasi maniwala kaming lahat sa sinasabi mo.
First impression, last po kasi.
So, unang impression pala dapat magpakitang gilas ka na. Alright. O, di bonggacious ka kung ganon. Eto na, pakitang gilas ka na sa aming lahat para meron na namang mga kiligin. Here's Singing Bay number 2 to sing The Man Who Can't Be Moved. Let's all welcome Earl Santos.
Going back to the corner where I first saw you, can't be my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move. Got some words in cardboard, got your picture in my hand saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try hand me money, but they don't understand. I'm not broke, I'm just a broken-hearted man. I know it makes no sense, but what else can I do? How can I move on? I'm still in love with you. Cause if one day you wake up and find out you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where on this earth I could be, thinking baby you'll come back into the place that we meet, and you see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. Cause I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah. People talk about the guy who's waiting on a girl. There are no holes in his shoes, but a big hole in his world. Maybe I get famous as a man who can't be moved, and maybe you won't mean to, but you see me on the news and you come running through the corner. Cause I know it's just for you. I'm the man who can't be moved. I'm the man who can't be moved. Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where on this earth I could be, thinking baby you come back into the place that we meet, and you see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. Cause I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah. Going back to the corner where I first saw you, can't be my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move.
Ang sarap makijaming naman! Thank you very much, Earl, and thank you very much, Darwin. Kanina pala sa Love Radio, binati namin si Pauline ng happy birthday!
Pauline, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pauline! Sabi namin, yes, sabi namin hindi kami nakain ng breakfast kasi makakainin mo kami dito. Yes!
Sakto.
Happy birthday! Stay gorgeous! At syempre, sino kaya between Darwin
And Earl?
ang talagang mas nakakakilig na singing bay? Malalaman niyo po yan mamaya. Muli ako po si Nicole Yala.
At ako naman, si Cambio King Chris
Na
Chuper.
nagpapaalala.
Una, magdasal ka para mabuhay ka.
Pangalawa, mag-toothbrush ka para mabuhay naman iba. Yan!
Alamin na natin kung sino mananalo sa Spotify. Will it be Singing Bay number 1, Darwin Moreto? Or Singing Bay number 2, Earl Santos? Alamin na natin. Our Spotify featuring Singing Bay's winner for today is Singing Bay number 2, Earl Santos. Congratulations!